Hello, sports lovers. This channel is a sportive always give information or discussion about unit sport. We will ask and give the question about sport in our respondent. The name respondent 1, Liza, respondent 2, Firna, and respondent 3, Ria. Before we start, my name is Muhammad Radiatan. As your host, in this channel, I will give some questions. Let's start number 1. We will start with common question. What are sport they want? What are their favorite sport? Based on our respondents. So number 1, respondent 1 is Iza. Choose the badminton. She said, badminton is easy if you know how to play the game. Our respondent 2, Firna. Firna chose the basketball. She said, I have a lot of basketball in past experience in my childhood in school. Respondent 3, Lia, chose volleyball. She admires one of the players volleyball. The name is Lim Suji. From the name, you know where this comes from. Let's start with number 2. Exercise is important for the body. So, how often does a respondent do exercise? It's such an interesting question. Number 3, respondent 3, Lia. Lia thinks exercise is important, but she also rarely do exercise because college assignment. Number 2, Firna. Firna always give practice in every Sunday, maybe in one time in 1 week. Almost same with Iza. Iza choose the twice in a week. We have no idea where is the present experience, the present of the day. Can be Sunday or Saturday. Next, question 3. What sport they want to try? This question can make interesting about our respondents once they like to what they want. Number 1, Liza. Liza said, I would like to choose the swimming. I think swimming can make my lungs grow or increase the power. Firna. And I interested in skating. Skating is just for fun, but in Indonesia it's not popular. Lia, as respondent 3, she said, I will try aerobic because aerobic can lose weight about 5. From the answer, Lia, maybe Lia has a problem in his weight. Next, question 4. What sport do you have to try? Iza doesn't like volleyball. She said, I have a bad experience in the past. Maybe the face can hit up at a point, and ball hit at a face. Different from Lia. Lia doesn't like us skating. just is skating is harder, but in this country it's not popular too. And next in Firna. Firna doesn't like running or is running because running can make the body or her is too tired or still really sick or beginner. Number 5. Does our respondent enjoy watching sports on TV? Not all of them do. Lisa, he never watched sport TV. She said, sport TV is too boring for me. It's a unique answer for Firna. Because Firna is based depend on sport, but if she like sport such as basketball, she will watch. But if she is not like football, she will not watch. Also, yeah, rarely to watch sports TV because she has a too busy about college assignment. The next segment 6 or question 6. What are the most popular sports in Indonesia? Our respondent has a different answer, but the answer 100% true. There's soccer, there's badminton and volleyball. No surprise, these sports always have a loyal fans. Okay, next, number 7. Would our respondent try to extreme sport? Our respondent has the same answer. The answer is yes. Respondent 1, respondent 3, and respondent 2, they opened themselves to learn new things or new sports. Segment 8. Has our respondent ever been to watch live sport in sports event? The answer is yes, but different place or different event. It's a respondent such, for example, Firna choose the high school or attending event such as volleyball or basketball. No. Different from Lisa and Lia, just watch sport event in their village or area. Is there or there's competition in their village. Next, question number 3. Who are their favorite athletes? Start with respondent 3. Yeah. I would like to choose Lim Suci because he is too handsome for him. And Firna is a Euro fan of basketball, so she will choose a Stephen Curry. Stephen Curry is the basketball superstar in America. Next, Iza choose the local athlete. The name is Susi Susanti. Susi Susanti has a unique playing style and strong winning mentality. And the last question, what were their last visit to a sports center? I was last visit in a sports center in 6 months to badminton. The same as Ria said, yeah, but I must say, I just in 5 months ago, I'm using Ria. But different from Firna, before entering college, I must to be in sports center. From the answer of Firna, she is very diligent to make to her body to make healthy and strong. Okay? That was fun conversation by our respondent and me. I hope you all inspire and learn about this conversation. I am Muhammad Badjatan Bayu Farci, signing out and bye-bye.